Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all will be healthy at your home and be enjoying your study very properly. Today I am going to teach you the lesson My Elder Brother. This lesson is for Standard 5. This short play is about two brothers who are affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning through our day-to-day experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. Okay? This play is based on the famous story in Hindi, Bade Bhai Sahib, written by Munshi Premchand. Okay? The story in Hindi is written by Munshi Premchand. Okay? And the name of the story in Hindi is Bade Bhai Sahib. In this story, two brothers lived in the hostel. Bhaiya, the elder brother, and Munna, the younger one. Bhaiya spends his time only in reading books and notebooks. He is a bookworm. He only thinks that only through bookish knowledge we can get any type of success. Okay? The thinking of Bade Bhai, the thinking of the elder brother was only spending your time in reading or writing is most important. He never thinks extra activities. He never goes out of his hostel for playing any type of games. He never takes interest in reading storybooks. He never spends his time in talking with his friends. He only spends in time in reading, writing, and etc. But the younger brother, it means Munna, studies well. He plays games. He talks to his friends. Okay? He is a true player of different types of games. Okay? We can get any type of success through study, it is certain. But in our day-to-day life, playing game is also very important. So, the elder brother never plays any type of game. He never goes anywhere. He never talks to anybody. He knows that only book can give him success. But Munna is beyond Bhaiya. He always used to play and study too. He learns through experiences as a school, as in the school, as his companions. He knows that playing games entertain us and keeps our mind free to think about our subject and topic. Bhaiya appears at the exam. Munna also takes in the same part, but he fails in his class. It means Bhaiya fails in his class, but Munna scores good marks and gets good position in the school, in his class. Because Munna always keeps his mind free by playing different types of games, by entertaining himself. Bhaiya is a bookish worm. Okay, he always reads. He always spends his time only reading in a hostel. He doesn't play in any type of game. He doesn't go anywhere with his friends. He doesn't participate in extra curriculum that was conducted in the school. So it is very important to study well, but in spite of all study, it is very important to participate in proper programs that are held in our school. Okay? कहने का मतलब है बच्चों, पढ़ाई आवश्यक है। पढ़ाई का माध्यम सिर्फ किताब ही नहीं, वह अनुभव भी है जो हमारे एल्डर्स हमें देते हैं, हमारे टीचर्स हमें देते हैं। इस अनुभव के साथ साथ जो भी अतिरिक्त क्रियाकलाप होती हैं जो विद्यालय के द्वारा समय समय पर कराई जाती है, उसमें बढ़ चढ़ कर के भाग लेना। भाग लेने का मतलब यह कहीं से नहीं होता कि हम सिर्फ जिस काम में या जिस प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेते हैं उसमें सफल होना ही है। भाग लेने का मतलब है कि उस काम का अनुभव लेना। खेल के लिए खेलना और जीत के लिए खेलना दोनों में अंतर है। यदि हम खेल के लिए खेलते हैं तो हम हार सकते हैं या कभी जीत भी सकते हैं, लेकिन यदि खेल को खेल समझ करके खेलते हैं तो मैं समझता हूं कि जीवन में हमेशा हमें सफलता ही मिलता है। और कोई भी खेल, किसी भी काम में यदि हम पहली बार भागीदारी लेते हैं तो वह एक अनुभव हमें देता है, और उस अनुभव के तहत हम जीवन में और कई सारे प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेते हैं और फिर उसमें हम सफल होते हैं। तो एक सफल होने के लिए किसी भी व्यक्ति को पढ़ाई के साथ साथ अतिरिक्त क्रियाकलापों में भी भाग लेना आवश्यक होता है। वो क्रियाकलाप हमें बोझिल नहीं करती, वह क्रियाकलाप हमें मनोरंजित करती है। So, in this lesson, the writer has prescribed us we must study, but we also take part in any type of game or in any program that is conducted by our school, right? So it is your duty. You must take part when your school conducts game, short plays, story writing, essay writing, and any type of games. Okay, so I hope you will read your lesson, my elder brother, and will understand the main themes of this story and regulate in your life. Have a nice day. Thank you.